How to update contact details in the ME Bank. Hi everyone and welcome to this quick guide on how to update your contact details using the ME Bank mobile app. Keeping your information accurate is essential to staying in control of your account and receiving important updates from the ME Bank. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a few things ready. The ME Bank app installed on your mobile device, your login credentials, a stable internet connection, and of course, your updated contact details. To begin, open the ME Bank app on your phone. Log in using your customer ID and password, or use biometric login if you've enabled it. Once you're in, wait for the dashboard to fully load. Next, tap on the menu icon. You'll usually find it at the top left or bottom of the screen. Then go to Settings or Profile and tap on Contact Information or something similar. Now you can update your information. Just tap on the field you want to change: email, phone, or address. Type in your new details carefully and double check for any mistakes. Once you're done, hit the Save or Update button. You might be asked to verify with a security code or face recognition. After that, wait for the confirmation message that your changes have been saved. To be sure everything went through, return to your contact details section and check that the new info is displayed. You'll probably receive a confirmation via email or SMS as well. That's it. Thanks for taking the time to manage your contact info. This small task goes a long way in keeping your account secure and up to date. Take care and have a great day.